and welcome back to another edition of E108 Tutorials. Today in MyEdBC we're going to take a look at setting up our gradebook with categories and assignments. So, as always, the easiest place to get to MyEd is go to our school website. There it is on the left hand side, and then log in. So then what we'll want to do is go to Gradebook, and there you'll see your classes. So I'm going to work on my information technology class. So here we are. So over on the left hand side I'm going to click on my categories, and you can see I don't have any yet. So to make some categories like tests, quizzes, assignments, that sort of thing, I'll click on options and add. Give it a code. That's just what you'll quickly see when you're looking up your categories. So I'm going to type assignments, and they are going to be worth 60% of my mark. I'll hit save, and then I'll go to options and add another one. This one's going to be self-evaluation. And that's worth 20% of their mark. And finally, I'll make my third one. And it is written for their written work. And that's going to be worth 20% of their mark as well. So when I click on categories, there you can see my 3 categories. And they have to actually equal 100%. So you can even make more categories if you want. You can put in whatever kind of weight you want, but it'll automatically adjust the percentages so it equals 100% for you. Now before we go on to assignments, what I recommend you do is you click on Set Preferences, and under Gradebook, for default weighting, my suggestion is you put it on total points. That will allow you to actually scale if you need to. If you're never going to scale, then you could just simply put it on category total points. But if you want to do some scaling, I suggest total points, and then you would click OK. So now I want to make some assignments. So I'm going to click on the Assignments tab, and I'll click Options and Add Assignment. So my category, I'll choose the magnifying glass, and my first one's going to be an assignment. Excel 1 to 4. Excel spreadsheets. Here I can decide when they were assigned. Maybe they were assigned October 12th, and they were due that Friday. And they were out of 20 marks. And there you can see my weight. So if I want to leave it at 20 marks, I can just leave it as 1. If I want it to be out of 20 but worth 40, then I can change that to 2, and so forth. So then I'm going to hit Save and New. And I'm just going to make one more assignment. So self-evaluation. Excel self-evaluation. And it's out of 10. I'll hit Save. And then you can go and, whoops, that didn't like that. 10. There we go. So now I'm going to go into my scores. And there you can see my assignments right there. Excel's 1 to 4, and then the self-evaluation. If it looks like this, we see all this Q1 stuff, right? That's where we'll have to go when we're going to be doing our report cards, which is our next tutorial. So if it looks like here, you click under Grade Columns and click on All. So there you'll see all your assignments, and then it's going to show you what their mark is for this particular term. So in here, you can see that it's out of 20 points. So I'm going to enter their marks. And I'll show you a little trick here. So if I punch in, say, 17, and then I hold Control D, it'll punch that all the way down. So if I want to give everybody a 9 for their self-evaluation, I'll hold Control D, and then I'll just copy it all the way down. So I'm just going to give this person a 8, and a 10 here, and a 10 here. Nice thing about Gradebook is I don't have to actually do anything, so that I can, change my, I don't have to save. It's already done automatically, so that's a great thing. And there you can see what the return marks are so far. So that's how you enter your marks, make your categories, and create your assignments, and then enter your scores. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching this edition of E108 Tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, come on down to E108, and I'll be happy to try to help show you out what to do. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody.